Gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your patience. We are done with the executive meeting. May I have a motion to close the executive meeting and open to the public?
I want to make a motion.
Could I have a second?
I'll second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Thank you. Back to business. We have, let's start with the consent agenda first, resolution 2023-195. Authorizing the Chamber of Commerce Street Fair. I would like to make a little recommendation that we approve this pending, with stipulation that to provide the event insurance for those days that you, that they requested. I sent, the request letter to all the council members to review. What they want is no events, no celebrations, they just wanna help the commerce going through bad times, so they could, sell their surplus that they've been having for a while. It really helps them. And I would like to make a motion that we pass this. May I have first?
Yeah, I want to make a motion to pass the street fair.
Thank you. Can I have a second?
Commerce.
I'll second.
Thank you. Roll call.
Chang? Yes. Min?
Yes.
Park?
Yes.
Petrie?
Before I vote, I wanted to say that we've seen this every year about the Chamber of Commerce coming in, and always the question about the insurance. And today's no difference. They knew they were having a fair, but they still don't have the insurance for us now. So my vote is no, until they present the insurance policy, because it's every year we go through this. Well, I don't understand why they don't, when they present the paperwork for the fair, that they can't have the insurance policy.
Understood. And I understand that too. We went through a couple of times not getting that insurance. Since that incident, I believe that they will provide the insurance. I did put in a stipulation that they will have to provide insurance or it will be canceled. If that doesn't satisfy you, Councilman Vitri, you have every right to say no. Thank you.
Okay. 3 yes, motion passes.
Yes. Now let's get back to our, I guess this is a non-consent agenda. How are we on this?
Consent, it'll
Consent.
be 196, Mayor.
196, write that down, 196. Does any of the council members want to make a recommendation so we put it on the floor?
I'll recommend to, make that action.
Who?
I'll recommend Cocker and Cocker.
Cocker and Cocker. Do
Yes.
I have a second?
I'll second it.
Roll call.
Okay, Chang? Yes. Min?
Yes.
Park?
Yes.
Petrie?
No, with the reason that I believe that the other firm has more knowledge at this point in time, and they are special masters.
Thank you very much. I would like to, Gina, would you please, as we discussed before, since we made a decision now, it'd be nice if we contact Cocker and Cocker and put it together in the email that they've been hired and that they should get a full disclosure as soon as possible as per their request with the special attorney that we hired for that subject matter, and also any information that they could get as soon as possible from the VA and our special counsel and whoever resource they may need, so they could start protecting us. Okay, just make sure that everybody knows that I requested that.
Yes.
Great.
Tiffany?
Yes.
Are we all on board? The governing body just decided to hire Cocker and Cocker as a special planner.
Yes,
We have
so it's
their-
for both. I just wanna confirm it's for the re-examination and the expert, or for
Yes.
just the
Yes, it will be a re-examination and the expert that we need from the special counsel. And after that, moving forward, extra, services rendered, we'll discuss that.
Okay.
Thank
And
you.
then I have the previous resolution, I guess, so we can amend that.
I don't know what your resolution was sent, because I didn't see it yet, unfortunately. But if you could just amend that for Cocker and Cocker, that'll be good.
Okay.
All right, great. All right, I guess we're all good. Council reports.
No report at this time.
There's no report.
No report.
Alright, great. May I have a motion, for public, oh, Mr. Park, I'm sorry. Damn it, sorry. Mr. Park, do you have any, something to report?
No.
No? Good, good. May I have a motion for public participation?
I wanna make a motion.
Could I have a second? Could I have a second?
I'll second.
Good, roll, all in
all in
favor?
favor?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright.
Public participation? Yes. Name, address, please. Please come up a little close. Please come up close because we have a Zoom and I would like the other councilman who is participating, I don't know where you are, to be part of that. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Yvonne Wanyu, 268 Highland Avenue. In terms of 195, insurance, that's a necessary thing, right? It's a requirement. However, when we usually apply for the, request, that we cannot buy insurance. It's not like that, right? Once authorized is done, approval is done, then we can usually buy insurance. Otherwise, we cannot. So that's probably one of the reasons why they couldn't present the insurance. But as long as you have a requirement, I'm sure that they will do that.
Understood.
Okay? So before, insurance is very important, so before they actually do that, then, you gotta make sure. Another thing is, 196, Cocker and Cocker, is this a special counsel to settle the litigation?
Okay, this is where Tiffany is about to fall asleep, is gonna help us out here. There's a question on the floor asking, why are we hiring Cocker and Cocker? What is it for?
For the expert witness opinions for the ongoing litigation with the borough as well as the re-examination master plan.
Thank you. Does that answer your question?
Also, so this has multiple purpose.
Well, it comes together, it's part of the package.
Yeah, so one, the ongoing litigation to try to settle, right? Which you mentioned at the last.
I cannot say we're trying to settle, but we're protecting ourselves.
Okay, so, and then the other one is a master plan.
Master plan would has to be actually updated every 10 years. We're really far back right now. Matter of fact, if I could just tell you, during 2015, there was an opportunity for our state of New Jersey municipalities and towns to give full disclosure to the affordable housing law that we have to abide to. 2015 was a time that we report and say, hey, you know what, we're complying, or we are in compliance with the law, affordable housing, but unfortunately, during that time, we did not take that opportunity. So here we are.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Any more questions? Nurse, please come up because Councilman Park is close by. Thank you.
Lady Carpenter for 4 Admin Avenue. I thought this special meeting, it was gonna be to discuss what you asked before about the budget of,
We're working on that.
also. it's
We're
not-
definitely working on that, and I'm gonna tell you there will be some good news, I hope.
Okay, another question. Are we gonna have the meeting always in Monday, or
Well,
like
this is what
Monday or
happens.
Tuesday?
We made it so that the governing body will have ample enough opportunity to review and assess and judge, before they make their decision. So on the third Monday, we're supposed to get every agenda's resolutions that needs to be passed, ordinance or not, by the third Monday. And that third week, the council members will have ample enough opportunity to review it, ask questions for the fourth Monday. So after third Monday, we will try our best not to accept any more agendas, resolutions, ordinance that is not thought of. It has to be an unforeseen situation where nobody knew about it, or we could prepare for it. Those things we'll give consideration.
Yeah, I know you guys mentioned about the hiring, posting the job, or as of today,
That's actually a good
they haven't
question.
put anything.
Well, we are right now working on it. It's a very technical situation, which I don't really get. It's a very simple procedure, if I'm correctly. What it is that we need to call our webmaster, who pays plenty of money each year, and say, hey, here's the update. I want you to put it here and here and here. We just gotta provide the content. I just need one person to designate themselves, whether it's through the most least amount of money being used, whether it's a stipend, or even someone could temporarily take care of it until we find, a suitable resolution, part-time job, whatever that may be. But right now, we're stuck there. Nobody wants to designate themselves, hey, not a problem, once a week. Call me and I'll report to the webmaster and we'll update it.
So the job that you said you was gonna be posted
It's
to
a-
hire.
That is the,
specific person.
that's a police clerk.
Yeah, but
you
you
need a
haven't been
file for-
post.
Right, so.
That's
okay,
what, you go ahead.
If I could just answer, top of what just Mayor said, I've been checking on that too, on a website every day. So far you're right, there's no posting at this point, right? So I actually give, chief another notice today, by email, so I should get the answer soon, so.
I mean, you give a list
Yeah,
of,
you could do that.
of people who to hire or?
No. Notice of hiring of the position, that specific position. So it's going to be open to the public where everybody can see.
But as of far posting the job from different position, is gonna be doing it or no?
Oh, yes.
Have you been posted
Mhm.
any position in the webs?
Matter of
Yes.
fact,
I
I can
haven't
do it.
seen anything.
Yeah.
Let me tell you,
Going
I can do
forward,
it
yes.
myself if I wanted to. It's not that difficult.
Okay.
I just want somebody to step up to the plate and be part of this simple temporary solution. Somebody needs to be dedicated to do that, we'll do that. But I don't think it deserves a $60,000 job. I don't think it deserves any more than an extra work that is added to the personnel here who's interested. We even do a part-time.
That's all. Yeah, that would be very good for the public.
Thank you.
No.
Oh, yeah,
sorry.
Gina, would you like to speak up? My apologies. I think she wants to add something. Please go ahead, Borough Clerk.
With regard to the job posting for the police records clerk, the chief had forwarded, I believe, to, the police committee, I don't know, Mayor, I forwarded you a letter as well this morning. A job description for the police records clerk, we just needed an okay to post that on the website.
Oh, okay.
He sent that to the police committee, I received it.
Oh, I
Yeah,
Good.
you
haven't checked my
received it.
email
Must have
as to
slipped
when
your
it
mind.
comes,
So
so.
just check your emails and then get back to him. I told the chief and everybody,
Where's the
else, thank you for that info. I told the chief and the BA that don't commingle what you guys need to do. Police department should handle their own website. They should find their own webmaster that they pay or somebody there to take care of it. We have to take care of our problem right now. Just because we can handle our problem doesn't mean that they can't do our problem. Thank you. All right, yes.
One more question. I mean, right now, your homepage, our homepage, somebody has been updating to,
Yes.
announce the meeting, right?
Yes.
Why don't you just announce right there, right? You already have a person who updated that.
Well, the
one.
person, right, the person who's designated to do that,
I mean, that person, that's a longer term solution, right? But immediate solution, you just update that as part of, homepage.
it's just that right now, nobody wants, it doesn't seem like there's, none of the administrative staff would like to take that on.
There
responsibility.
is one person who's been updating the meeting notice. We just saw our meeting notice, right? Today, we have a
You talking about the
special
borough
meeting.
clerk?
Who is doing it?
Borough clerk used to do that, but the thing is, because of this, description of the borough clerk, we have to be making sure that there's a designated person. I think the borough clerk helped in. Back in the days, a few months ago, not updating the web, like we're talking about right now, they tried. Borough clerk did go talk to the web browser, if I'm correct? Did you call the web browser to update certain things before? But then she feels that wasn't my real responsibility. So, okay, granted, we have to find out if she's interested to do a stipend, she wants to take that responsibility, or anybody else. But I cannot just say, hey, just because you did it, you should continuously do it.
But this is just one-time things.
I know. We didn't have this problem before. And hopefully we'll find, this is a simple problem, and there should be a simple solution. Matter of fact, like I said, worst case scenario, maybe I'll get the information from the web browser information and I'll update it. I'll write it up and say, this is the update. I'll work with the borough clerk, give me the updates in writing, and I'll just give it to him or whatever that case may be, okay?
Because once the resolution is passed, and I think executing that resolution is important, because
So yes, I would like the council members to know that we have unaddressed issues concerning the posting of the job. I think you guys will chime in and say, hey, let's try to post our job immediately as fast as we can. I don't know why not. Okay, it's good that there's a sample that was brought from the police department. So I don't know why, we never did this before, so let's see the sample, let's get it done fast. Let's first check that there's a proper way of posting jobs. First find that out from an attorney, let's ask, simple question, and after that, whatever our imagination will allow, okay? Good, yes,
Chief Espino sent an email out earlier today to myself and to Councilman Min.
yes, we
Now,
been told.
I seen it.
Yeah,
I mean,
can
he's
see.
on top of his emails every single day.
What are
I'm
you trying to
surprised
say,
he
you
didn't get
blaming
it.
him for right now for not reading his emails for one day?
I'm
No,
just saying, he's on top of the emails, but this he's saying about the police didn't do it.
And
The
he-
police did answer him and nobody.
I made the mistake too, Councilman.
You do?
I
Not
do.
you.
No, there's so
Come
many emails coming in, sometimes it gets
Come on,
lost.
not you don't make
Alright,
mistakes.
so your point is that what are you trying to say, that Councilman Min is purposely not seeing the
Oh,
emails?
I never said
That was sent
purposely.
today?
I'm
You
sorry.
never said purposely?
Alright.
No,
You
I'm
never
sorry.
ever said purposely.
What is your
Don't put
conclusion
words in
of
my
your-
mouth.
What is your conclusion of your statement? So what is your conclusion?
End the meeting.
Thank you very much.
I'd like to.
I'll like to, any more questions? No? Then I'd like to close the, public portion participation. May I have a motion?
I'd like to make a close the.
Good. First and second.
I'll say.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye. May I make a motion to close the special meeting and adjournment? May I have a motion? Could I have a second?
I'll say.
Second on the Stephanie?
Yes.
Good. All in favor?
Aye.
Councilman Park, you have been very, very helpful. Thank you very much and Godspeed. Thank you.